Here we are in this week's assignment module, and these assignments are due this Sunday, September 8th. And this week you'll be working with the drawing tools in Illustrator. You'll learn to draw straight and curved lines, selecting and adjusting curved segments, and so on. This week you'll be working through Chapter 6 in the textbook, creating an illustration with the drawing tools. And just click that link and that will take you into this week's chapter in the book on the library database. So there's that chapter for this week. And also just right-click on that zip folder and save the link to your computer, and you'll have the files to work through that textbook chapter. So this week you'll really begin learning how to use the various drawing tools, the pen tool and the pencil tool. You may want to have a look at this week's video tutorials, which will help you understand the tools and techniques you'll be learning about this week. Be drawing a swan scene there. Also, have a look at the videos for Skill Builder 2. You'll begin that this week and finish it up next week. I've also included a number of additional videos for working with the pen tool. You may want to look at those. The pen tool can be a little bit challenging to learn, so I've added some extra videos to really help you understand how that tool works. You may want to have a look at some of these lectures. If you haven't already looked at the Subway Map Design lecture, please have a look at that. That will help you with your project. And this week you'll begin Skill Builder 2, Regatta Artwork, which is due on September 15th. And just right-click this zip folder, save the files to your computer, and you can work on them from there. And this is what the finished Skill Builder will look like, hopefully, when you're done. I think it will, if you pay attention to this week's assignments. Also, be sure to review the Project 1 Subway Map requirements. The project is due September 22nd, so you still have plenty of time to work on it. Review the project requirements and grading rubric for the assignment so that you make sure that you include all of these requirements. If you haven't already done so, be sure to have a look at the Subway Map resources to help you understand what a subway map is and how it is different from other types of maps. And again, you may want to have a look at some of the books that are available about subway and transit map design. For this week's assignment, you're going to post some sketches for your ideas for your subway map. You're going to create 3 rough sketches by hand of your proposed subway map. And you'll post JPEGs of your sketches to the discussion board and answer these questions. This assignment is worth 10 points. And just click the link above to access the discussion board and post your assignment. This week's Illustrator artist is Juan Carlos Solon. He does some interesting work. These kind of pixelated figures here, you may recognize one or maybe none of those. Click that link and that will take you to his website, KickPixel. Also, you may want to have a look at some of the web links I provided for additional training and tips on Illustrator. So again, you're going to be posting 3 hand-drawn sketches of your proposed subway maps, which is worth 10 points. And you'll begin the second skill builder, which is some artwork for Regatta. So that's this week's assignment, and you'll also be working through Chapter 6 in the textbook. So that's this week's assignment. If you have any questions, be sure to email me or post them in the troubleshooting forum. Otherwise, have fun with the pen tool.